In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Net Promoter Score question using Surveymonkey, a popular tool for conducting surveys online. First, let's head to the Surveymonkey website. Open your browser and type in surveymonkey.com in the address bar to reach the homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to register. But assuming you already have an account, go ahead and click login. You can choose to log in via various options, but let's go with Google for this session. Click the sign in with Google option and you'll be directed to select your Google account. Choose the account you wish to use by clicking on it. Having successfully logged in, you're now at the heart of SurveyMonkey. To start designing your survey, click on the Create button, which usually displays quite prominently on the page. You'll find yourself on the main survey creation dashboard. Now look for the Build option, as this is where all the question types reside. Click on Build and you're ready to add questions to your survey. The Net Promoter Score question is a critical part of evaluating how likely your customers are to recommend your product or service to others. To add this, select the Add button and then choose Net Promoter Score from the list of question types. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Click to add it to your survey. Now focus on personalizing the Net Promoter Score question. You'll see a default setup for the question, but it's important to specify exactly what brand, product or service you're asking the user to rate. Once you've entered the relevant details, move on by clicking on the Save button to ensure your changes are not lost. Now, since the classic question is structured around a recommendation, click on the segment of the question that reads something like a friend or colleague and make sure it fits the context of your survey. This ensures clarity for respondents. Again, if you make changes, remember to hit Save. Once that's settled, let's adjust the question settings to enhance response accuracy. Look for the Options panel and click it open. Here you'll find additional settings for your question. One important setting is to require an answer to this question. Click on this option so that all respondents must answer the question. This setting ensures that your survey results are complete for each participant. With this adjustment done, give it a final save, and there you have it. You've successfully created a Net Promoter Score question in SurveyMonkey. Be sure to review your entire survey to confirm everything is in place, and when you're satisfied, your new survey is ready to be shared with respondents to start collecting valuable feedback. Happy surveying!